Okay, I was today years old, as the kids say, when I realized this simple trick to something that's messed me up for a long time with creating overlays and graphics where you want transparent backgrounds to show like maybe your camera or your slides or a video game or whatever showing through where you have a nice rounded sort of box for your video to show through. So I'm using Keynote. I've got a layer here that's in the background, this ugly layer, colored layer. And then I've got a rounded box in the corner here. You can do this, by the way, adjusting radius is a little trick in Keynote. There, grab that little green dot. I'm colorblind, so don't shoot me. But yeah, basically just select both objects, both things, boxes, whatever, go to arrange, hit subtract, and then boom, you've got your overlay with a transparent see-through background. I can export to an image, to a PNG, except I think I did something wrong because there's no background. Background has to be no fill. There we go. Go File, Export to PNG image. Export with transparent backgrounds. Testing overlay. Puts it in a little folder for you. There you go. I'm assuming this works similarly in other things, like I use Pixelmator Pro or Photoshop. I just never come across that. So maybe you have neither. If that helps you, awesome. See ya.